Hey there, car enthusiasts and detailers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive care and exploring the top 5 car buffers and polishers of 2023. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast looking to enhance the appearance of your beloved vehicle, a high-quality buffer and polisher is an essential tool in your arsenal. In this video, I'll be reviewing the best car buffers and polishers on the market, helping you achieve that showroom shine and professional finish right at home. From powerful jewel action machines to compact and lightweight options, these car buffers and polishers are designed to deliver exceptional results and make your detailing experience a breeze. So grab your microfiber towels and polishing compounds, and let's explore the top 5 car buffers and polishers of 2023. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the featured products. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future automotive care reviews and recommendations. Let's rev up those engines and discover the top 5 car buffers and polishers of 2023. Starting at number 5. WORKPRO 12V Cordless Car Polisher. The WORKPRO 12V Cordless Car Polisher is a convenient and versatile tool designed for home car polishing projects. With its battery-powered operation and compact design, this polisher offers flexibility and portability. The polisher is powered by a 12V battery, providing sufficient power for small to medium polishing tasks. The cordless design eliminates the need for power cords, offering freedom of movement and making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing 1 kilogram, the WORKPRO 12V Cordless Car Polisher is lightweight and easy to handle. This feature ensures user comfort during extended polishing sessions and allows for precise control over the polishing process. Despite its compact size, this polisher delivers reliable performance. Its model number, 125108, indicates its compatibility with various polishing accessories and attachments, further enhancing its versatility. In conclusion, the WORKPRO 12V Cordless Car Polisher is a practical and user-friendly tool for car polishing projects. Its cordless operation, compact design, and reliable performance make it suitable for users seeking convenience and efficiency in their car polishing endeavors. At number 4. Jimzimke QC0342 Car Polisher. The Jimzimke QC0342 Car Polisher is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professional car polishing applications. With a rated input power of 400 W and a speed range of 6,000–10,000 R/min, this polisher delivers exceptional polishing performance. Featuring a 6-inch applicable wheel diameter range and a diameter of grinding pad of 150 mm, the Jimzimke QC0342 Car Polisher provides precise and efficient polishing on various vehicle surfaces. The brushless electric ground grinder design ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The polisher operates at a voltage of 220 V and comes with multiple accessories, including a circular grinder and sandpaper. These additional tools enhance the versatility and functionality of the polisher, allowing for different polishing techniques and applications. With its powerful grinding stroke of 5/3 mm and a dust collection port diameter of 27 mm, the Jimzimke QC0342 Car Polisher ensures effective dust removal and a clean working environment during polishing tasks. In summary, the Jimzimke QC0342 Car Polisher is a high-performance and professional-grade tool for car polishing. Its powerful motor, versatile accessories, and efficient dust removal capabilities make it suitable for users who require superior polishing results and durability. At number 3, BOSCH Cordless Car Polisher. The BOSCH Cordless Car Polisher is a lightweight and compact polishing tool that offers convenience and ease of use. With a rated input power of 24 W and a weight of 1.06 kilograms, this polisher is designed for efficient and comfortable operation. Featuring 6 speed stalls and a speed range of 24 watt-hours, the BOSCH Cordless Car Polisher provides customizable speed settings to suit different polishing requirements. The 150 mm applicable wheel diameter range and 6-inch pad size ensure effective and precise polishing. Thanks to its cordless design, this polisher allows for freedom of movement and eliminates the need for power cords. The rechargeable battery provides sufficient power for extended polishing sessions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The BOSCH Cordless Car Polisher is designed with user comfort in mind. Its lightweight and ergonomic design reduce fatigue during prolonged use, while the 150 mm applicable wheel diameter allows for versatile polishing on various vehicle surfaces. In conclusion, the BOSCH Cordless Car Polisher is a practical and user-friendly tool for car polishing tasks. Its lightweight design, customizable speed settings, and cordless operation make it an ideal choice for users seeking a convenient and efficient polishing experience. At number 2, the 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher. The 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher is a compact and portable polishing tool that offers convenience and versatility. With a rated input power of 280 GU and a speed range of 2500 to 4500, this cordless polisher delivers efficient polishing performance. Designed for small-scale polishing tasks, the 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher is compatible with wheel diameters ranging from 1 inch to 3 inches. This versatility allows for precise polishing on various areas of your vehicle. The cordless feature of this polisher provides freedom of movement and eliminates the hassle of cords and power outlets. With a 12V power source, it offers sufficient power for small polishing jobs. The 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its compact size allows for easy storage and transport, ensuring convenience for on-the-go polishing needs. In summary, the 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher is an excellent choice for users looking for a compact, portable, and versatile polishing tool. Its cordless design, range of compatible wheel diameters, and efficient performance make it ideal for small-scale car polishing projects. At number 1, BOSCH R7303 Car Polisher. The BOSCH R7303 Car Polisher is a powerful and versatile tool designed for home car polishing projects. With a wattage of 499 WAC power source, this polisher delivers efficient performance and reliable results. Weighing 3 kilograms and measuring 351,510 centimeters, the BOSCH R7303 is a compact and portable car polisher that is easy to handle and maneuver. The 150 mm polishing wheel diameter and a no-load speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute ensure smooth and precise polishing. The polisher is rated at 350 W input power and operates at a frequency of 50 Hz with a rated voltage of 220 V. These specifications indicate its compatibility with standard power outlets, allowing for convenient and hassle-free use. With its customizable features and dimensions, the BOSCH R7303 Car Polisher offers versatility for various car polishing needs. Whether you're working on large or small surfaces, this polisher provides the right amount of power and control. In conclusion, the BOSCH R7303 Car Polisher is a reliable and efficient tool for car polishing projects. Its powerful performance, compact design, and customizable features make it suitable for car enthusiasts and dyers looking to achieve professional quality polishing results at home.